On any given day, we'll take material from multiple different sources. The Holly Hill plant accepts regulated hazardous material and non-hazardous material for co-processing. These materials aid in reducing reliance on traditional fuel and raw materials. The typical material we accept range from liquid solvents and chemical byproducts to plastic-derived fuels and fly ash residuals. Cement requires a lot of thermal energy. Typically that's coal or natural gas. So our goal here is to use alternative fuels. Typically here at our site, we replace about 70% of that thermal energy need with alternative materials. In co-processing, the combustible material provides the fuel needed for the cement manufacturing process, while the mineral component substitutes for the primary mineral material needed for the production. During co-processing, the materials are completely destroyed with no ash residue remaining, while the embedded energy and the mineral content are recovered. Co-processing provides sustainable solutions for unusable, non-recyclable materials and contributes to CO2 reduction, landfill reduction, and conservation of natural resources. In 2020, LafargeHolcim signed a net zero pledge worldwide with the goal of significantly reducing CO2 emissions, setting ambitious climate targets for 2030 and beyond. Co-processing plays a key role in LafargeHolcim achieving the goals under our net zero pledge. Everything that comes to us primarily by truck or by rail. We take material from as far away as Colorado, Massachusetts, Puerto Rico, the Bahamas.
When we receive materials from our customers, it goes through a approval process. And from an environmental standpoint, we need to make sure that what we're receiving is in compliance with our permit, as well as compatible with our operations here.
When fuel's received in Holly Hill, samples pulled, brought into the laboratory has to certify that material, that it meets our specifications. Then we also blend the fuel to meet the specifications of the cement kiln. A lot of that is real time. We try to get the work done as quickly as possible so that trucks can be offloaded and we can supply the fuel. We do have duplicate instrumentation in case one goes down. We're not hindering the process.
What we promise our customers is that we can turn their material around in a much quicker time than our competitors can. When a truck arrives on site, we guarantee that we'll have it sampled, unloaded, and out the gate within 3 hours. We typically average about 2.25 to 2.5 hours. On a rail car, we typically turn that around in 2 to 3 days, which is sort of unheard of in our industry. We make certain that whatever we do it safely and within regulatory compliance.
Everybody follows our protocols, everybody wears the proper PPE, we follow all the rules. We hadn't had a lost time accident in probably 20 years, I think, if not longer.
Every time I travel out to see any of my customers, the thing that I get most is that the level of professionalism and the knowledge that our people provide. I'm extremely proud of the employees that we have on board and the role they play in ensuring that we distinguish ourselves in our industry.